What's up guys, welcome back to yet another YouTube video. Apologies, just gonna start this video, but just apologising because obviously lack of content has been poor from our side. But just so you know, these videos do cost quite a bit of money sometimes because obviously the parts I order and that. Otherwise, what content have I got to bring to you if I'm not putting it on my car? So today's video is obviously I've got a full Milltek exhaust for the car. So I've gone with the race cat with a sports catback, non-res, so it should be nice and loud. So I'm going to head down to TP Smart Repair in Aylesbury. You guys would have seen them on my videos quite often, to see a guy by the name of Tommy and John. Lovely people, they're the owners of the company and they've been very supportive of my channel and what I do, so I've been very grateful to have them. So I'm going to head down there now, get the exhaust installed, and then hopefully you guys like it and hopefully I like it. So let's head down there now. Cheers. So yeah, at TP Smart Repair, this is what they do. Look how well and clean that is. Honestly guys, if you're really looking for a good paint job, TP Smart Repair in Aylesbury, absolutely amazing. Look at it. One day boys, one day. So this is the old crusty. Looks like the coronavirus, this thing. Oh, this is crusty, but this is all coming out. So let's do it. So this is the new exhaust. Tommy won't let me see the tips yet because obviously covered up, but this bad boy is going on. Oh, look at them. This is going to be sick. So this is a comparison between exhausts. Look at that. Obviously Tommy and I will reveal this one in a bit. Tips of that. All clean. This is it guys, it's all done. I'll reveal that in a sec, but look at this. Oh yeah. That is so much better guys. Oh yes. When you're ready, sir. Oh, yes. So I'm going to head out now, get some exhaust sounds for you guys, put the GoPro on the back, get some sick clips, and yeah, hopefully it sounds wicked. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it motivated you to get a performance exhaust. And I would say, take the chance and decat your car. Don't even put a catler on it. Just take it away. Just get it away and see how that goes. Personally, I do like what I have on the car at the moment. The setup, it sounds really wicked. I have noticed that I do have a bit of a turbo rattle in these cars. So if you're not too familiar with these motors, the 2-litre TSIs, they normally do on the turbo the actual, I don't know what they call it, but there's an arm on the turbo that sits, and obviously every time you accelerate it pulls, and that part can rattle. So every time I do accelerate a little bit and come off the throttle, that rattles quite a bit. I can hear like a buzz sound in the background. I'm not sure if you guys will hear it on camera, but I can hear it. So I've got to get that checked up. So I might just replace the turbo entirely. I'm not going to change it to a KO4 or anything stupid. I'm just going to get a straight brand new KO3 turbo, install that if I don't find anybody who can fix that. Anyways, guys, I just want to really say thank you for tuning in, watching my video, showing a lot of support. I really appreciate in the comments. It really it's mind-blowing to see the interactions you guys have with me. I really enjoy it, so I do thank you for that. And yeah, exciting. I won't tell you what the next mod's going to be, but obviously I'll let you guys know once it's up. Put that little ping alert on so you know my next video is up. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go look at my Instagram. I do post on there when my next video is going to be uploaded, so that will help too if you go on there and follow me. But yeah, guys, stay safe, look after each other, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers, guys.
This is gonna be too much for us to bear.